Welcome to Craft today, and here we're going to create hentai in Infinite Craft. First up, we're going to combine two water elements to get a lake, which mixed with more water creates ocean. Combine that with more water to get fish. Then we're going to combine water and fire to create steam. Next, combine earth with ocean to create island, which mixed with fish gets us mermaid. We're also going to combine fish with fire to get sushi, which mixed with island creates Japan. Then combine fire and mermaid as well to get siren, and then combine steam and Japan to create anime. And for the final step, combine anime with siren to create hentai. That's how you make hentai in Infinite Craft. Hope you like this video. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe to the channel for more Infinite Craft videos.